How to convert RAR file to APK in Android. So if you want to convert a RAR file to APK in your Android, then first you just need simply go with an application which is RAR. So if you don't have, then you can go and install it. Now once you have this application, you just need simply scroll down and you need to go with the folder in which you have your RAR file. Once you have your RAR file, then you just need simply select that file. After that, go with the upper right which has that 3 dots and you will have extract files option. If you don't find extract files, then you will have the extract files option on the top. So tap on the extract files and here you will have an option of RAR or zip. So you just need simply select RAR and then you can go with set password if you want to set a password, but if you don't want to, then just simply select zip, RAR or APK, anything that you would like to convert, and then you can go with OK, which is on the bottom right, and it will be converted. And if you tap on it, you will be able to open that file now. That's how you can convert a RAR file to an APK, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.